Hey my dear lovely people, in this video I am going to show you how to create an attractive YouTube thumbnail. So if you are a YouTuber then you are welcome, cheer man. Alright, when you create any types of YouTube thumbnail for your video, that is simply remember that it have to be professional and clickable, otherwise you won't get enough viewers in your video. Well, think so at the time I would like to make a YouTube thumbnail for my YouTube video. Host title will be how to train your puppy. So without any further delay, let's get started. Now as usual we will search YouTube thumbnail. Just follow the process carefully. I am searching. Look at this is our targeted template which is called YouTube thumbnail. I simply hit on here. At the moment you are seeing lots of thumbnail template available, right? So you can pick any of them from here, whatever you need. But right now I will choose blank template because I want to make it in my own way. Hence simply hit on blank template like this. Then Canva take me into the design dashboard like this. Now follow, this is our blank template, right? Host color is white. Now I will use a background instead of white color. For that reason I am hitting on background like this. At the moment you are seeing there are bunch of default background available. So you can select anyone as your wish. Suppose this time I pick this one. Simply click here. After that I will take an image and obviously it will be puppy related. Simply follow the process. At the time I hit on more. Think so this time I choose Pixabay. Afterwards I will search puppy because our need puppy related image, right? Now you can pick anyone from here. I am picking. Absolutely, I like this one. For that purpose, I just click here. Now I will set it. Just follow the process carefully. Alright, now I will write some text. To do this, simply hit on text. This time I am choosing add a subheading. Now I will write how to train your then set it here. Literally I want to do little bit bigger. Just follow the process. I hit on text size. This time I choose 42. Then I change font style. Suppose I like this one. Then adjust it. At the same time I again hit on text. Now I will choose add a heading. Now write puppy. After that set it right here. Then change the font style. Suppose this time I like this one. Or you can check another one. After that choose size. Suppose right now I like 64. Then I set it right here. Now look the design guys. Finally I will add a shape. For that reason click on elements. Then I am picking square shape. Then I set it right here. Now choose the color. This time I choose this color. After that click transparency. Now change a little bit. Now choose this background. then do some modification. Just follow the process carefully. Alright my dear students, now look the whole design. Okay, now we'll download it. So simply hit on here. After that pick download. This time you can choose PNG or JPG and finally hit on download. Yes, the download has been completed. Wow, it's really cool, right? I believe this thumbnail will catch any viewer attention super easily, right? Therefore, my dear lovely students, I guess in this way and with your own creativity, you can create any professional and clickable thumbnail whatever you need. Thank you very much for staying with me.